Now, what's interesting is the electrons are flying around this neutron, and the scientists think they should just basically just fly away. They shouldn't be held there. And when they try to say, what causes these electrons that should be repelled because they're negative, what causes them to stay around this? And they call it this, cosmic glue. I find that fascinating. I call that Jesus. So what he's going to do is this. One day, when we see that he's holding every atom together, he's going to say, no more. You understand the power to hold all these atoms together? Because when you release that power, boom, that's what happens. And so what he says, I'm going to release every atom. Every atom is going to be this incredible atomic explosion of the entire universe. And he says, that's how I'm going to demolish. But the good news is this, is that when we do this, he says this, the old heavens and the earth are going to be dissolved, being on fire. The elements will melt with the fervent heat. But then we recognize what? There's going to be a new heavens and a new earth. And so I want to share with you in Revelation 21, he says this, verse 1, now I saw a new heaven and a new earth, for the first heaven and earth had passed away and there was no more sea. Now God does something new. It's a remodel. So this earth basically is everything is just, first time destroy everything by water, second time destroy everything by fire. And now he remakes everything. And there's this new heaven, a new earth. The first had passed away. Then verse 2, then I, John, saw the holy city, the new Jerusalem, coming down out of heaven from God, prepared as a bride adorned for her husband. And I heard a loud voice from heaven saying, behold, the tabernacle of God is with men, and he will dwell with them. And they shall be his people, and God himself will be with them and be their God. And God will wipe away every tear from their eyes, and there shall be no more death, nor sorrow, nor crying, and there shall be no more pain, for the former things have passed away. And then verse 5, he who sat on the throne says, behold, I make all things new. And he said to me, write these words, for these words are true and faithful. You understand that what the world is doing is like, man, I'm dying here. He says, yes, you are. And you are dying, but I'm going to redeem you. And after I redeem you, you're going to be around for another 1,000 years. But then after that, I'm going to remodel you. I'm going to simply just tear down the old. I'm going to make all things new.